Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. You're watching 5th episode of 5 minutes recipe series, that is potato chips instant. Microwave potato chips are easy, quick, tasty, healthy snack prepared in minutes at home using only 1 teaspoon oil. These are delicious, fat-free potato chips made in microwave, a super easy and crunchy snack. Satisfy your junk food craving without the guilt. So let's get to the making. Take 2 potatoes. Peel the skin out using a vegetable peeler. I'm going to use vegetable peeler to make thin slices, but you can also use vegetable slicer. Make very thin slices of the potato. Make as thin as possible. Transfer these slices onto a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. You can add any seasoning for this recipe. Slices should be paper thin as shown in the video. Next, place these slices on the microwave safe plate next to each other. Keep in mind that chips tend to stick together if they are close to each other. Therefore, keep a small gap between the 2 slices. Microwave the slices on full power for 2 minutes. Once done, flip the sides. This will prevent the chips sticking onto the plate. Again, microwave it for a minute. Cool them for a couple of minutes and your delicious crispy potato chips are ready to munch on. Microwave works best at 3 minutes. Yours might take lesser or more time. So make sure you check the chips are fried well and not burned before serving. Chips will stay crisp for few days if you keep in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. You can prepare the raw slices ahead of time, store them in cold water in refrigerator and bake them off as you want them. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.